All right. Okay, so first off, any questions on the preparation work?
So I was just re-looking at some of the PZ stuff. I don't know. I struggled with that a little bit. I guess some of that's in part. Oh, it is. Some of it's in part 2. Did you do all of part 2?
Yeah, like on the preparation thing?
Yeah.
Yes. The Z-score and that stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, 6B is one of the ones I was having trouble with. Like how we do that calculation.
What proportion of the people?
Okay. So it's one of those.
Because I kind of had
like px is greater than 165, but I don't understand how to do that calculation.
Okay, let me look.
I've been trying to figure that out last night and today, and I'm just not doing so hot on it.
So, okay. Let me see if I can. Okay, so I think I kind of had to like keep looking at the reading and then do stuff and then, like,
yeah, that's what
I got it all figured out, but I had to like keep going back and forth. So I'll probably having to be doing that like right now. I got the answer right. I know that. So what portion of people take the one? Okay, so this is the one where you find the Z-score. So you know how to do the Z-score, right? So like the X, so the Z-score is X minus the mean divided by the standard deviation.
So that's the 150.
So the X is the 165. Oops, gosh. What I just did there. Sorry, that was on my own screen. Okay, 165 minus 150.8 divided by 8.8. Okay, I'm just. Okay.
So yeah, so
what proportion of the people who take the quantity portion of this GRE will score above 165? So, okay, do you know that normal probability applet thing?
Yeah, I have it open.
Okay, so if you put that up and you put the Z-score that we got in there, 1.613 in there.
Okay.
And then because we're looking at the score above 165, where our Z-score was, which was the 1.613, the red line to the right, we click on that portion to the right. So highlight that blue and then unclick everything to the left.
Okay.
And then the area up above where it says 0.0534, that's our answer. Because it's that percent that will get above the 165.
Thank you for that.
Does that make sense?
Yes, that helps. I don't know why I was struggling so much with it, but.
Well, I don't know. I kept going back and forth between the reading and just like trying to find similar question. Like it was kind of hard for me.
Yeah, I think it's good that we have these and I can talk it through with people.
Yeah, I agree. So,
okay, so should we just start on the quiz?
Sure.
Okay, I gotta get it open. Somewhere, maybe.
Yeah, I actually have like the class open this time. I think last time I.
Slowly but surely, I'm almost there.
I wish that these quizzes would have like a bigger, not like this quiz in particular, but just iLearn. Like, you know, you can only see like one question at a time, really. Like, you can't, it's not a very big screen. Like, I should just send some suggestion, like, you know, some advice.
I think about that too in a lot of quizzes. I'm like, especially matching ones where you have like a block of that.
Yeah, and then you're like scrolling up and we're like, wait, did I know. So, yeah, I don't know where the iLearn suggestion box is, but I should definitely find it. Anyway. Okay, so mine is up.
Yeah, I got it up too.
Okay, so first question. The total area under a normal distribution curve must equal 1, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Under certain circumstances, a normal distribution curve can drop below the x-axis. I believe
false.
That is false.
Right? Okay.
Because it only goes above there.
Okay. Normal distribution curve is symmetric. True? Because it looks like the bell.
Yes, ma'am.
See, here's an example of having a little more screen would be helpful, this question. Okay.
I know, I like zoomed out my entire web page and that gives me a little more room, but now it's small.
Okay, so use the following image to answer the next 2 questions. Okay, so which of the following elements of the figure represents z-score? It would be C?
Yep.
Which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that z-score will be greater?
B, that section is greater than 1, right?
Yes.
According to the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, what percentage of the data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within 1 standard deviation of the mean? Write your answer as a percentage such as 42 rather than a decimal.
Okay.
So 68, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
That's always what's right under the curve part.
Yeah, then 95 is 2. Okay. Right, yeah. I wrote that down. Yeah, 68 was within 1 standard deviation. Okay.
That's 68.
Z-scores come from a standard from a standard normal distribution. Use normal app to answer this question. Portion of the z-scores will be between -1 and 1.
So kind of what we said, right? Like 0.68, the 68%.
Right, that's what I was. So, I mean.
Oops. I know, it's nice that we can use the applet in our.
Give your answer as a decimal, accurate to 3 decimals. Okay, so that's the proof that you use the app. So you can, so if the 3 decimals would be 0.682, do we round that to 683?
Yeah, we round it up because it's to 3 decimal places. So 6.683.
Okay, suppose, sorry, you can read it. I just.
Suppose the z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. What proportion of the z-score will be between -2 and 2?
Okay, so that's 95, but with the 0.955.
Mm-hmm.
Hang on, I gotta let my dog in. He's barking at me.
No worries.
Okay, I'm back. All right, so that was 0.955, right? That's what.
Yep, and then the next one we need to find the portion for 3 and -3.
Okay.
So that'd be 0.997.
Okay, look carefully at your answers as the last 3 questions. What do you observe? The values match the 68, 95, 99.7 rule. I think that's the answer, right? Like, that's a z-score, yeah. Like. Okay.
The amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. There are solid theoretical ideas that suggest that the protein requirement will be normally distributed if in the population of the United States. The protein requirement is given in terms of the number of grams of good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram body of weight. Then there's all those numbers. So 13, what proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.60? So the population mean is 65, so
it'd be 0.60. Finding the z-score, right?
Yep.
Minus
So
the
0.60 minus 0.65 over what is it?
0.07.
0.07.
Okay, so the proportion of the population have a protein requirement that's less than 60. So we need to put the standard deviation on that app thing, right?
So what was your z-score?
Negative 0.7142857. Is that what you got?
Yeah, so
Okay.
0.762.
Oh wait, you got 0.762?
Oh, no, I have the other one. 0.7142.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so we're looking for the population requirement. Oh wait, sorry. Less than 60, so less than our z-score, right? So 0.2376.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So 0.238.
Okay.
Did you hear those gunshots go off in the background?
No, I didn't.
Oh.
Is someone shooting outside?
My trailer court where I live is in between 2 cemeteries.
Oh.
And so on one side, sometimes they have the guns going off during a service.
Oh, yeah.
They scare me sometimes. It was funny. I had a friend over once and she freaked out, like did not know what it was. She's like, is someone shooting that close to houses? I'm like, calm down. It's just at the funeral.
I can see why that would make someone nervous.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
Anyway.
Okay.
0.238, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so 14, what proportion of the population have a protein requirement is more than 60%? So 0.762. Is that what you got?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What proportion of the population have a protein that's less than 70? So do we have to redo math here now?
No, I think it's the same, isn't it?
Because that one was 60, so we have to find the standard deviation of 70. Right?
So
we do 0.70 minus 0.65 divided by 0.07. Oh, but I guess
it is the same.
it is the same, but it's just the positive side.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.
So, I'll save myself some work next time. Okay, so okay, so less than 70. Oops. 0.762, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So then we need to find the probability that a randomly selected person will have a protein requirement that is between 0.60 and 0.70.
Okay. So
remember that to find the area between two values, shade to the left of each z-score. You calculate and then subtract the smaller area from the larger area.
okay. So all of the left to each z-score?
So is that the 762 minus 238?
Yes.
But that's only, oh yeah. 5.
So, right. Also, couldn't you just click the middle one? Like the middle section?
So, oh yeah, so theirs goes one more letter than
Point.
my calculator does.
Right.
So it's going to be 525, not 524.
Yeah. Yeah. I would hope that it would be a little bit. So we're doing 525?
Yeah.
Okay.
More chaps!
Do you hear my demanding child in the background? Okay. She just came in here so yelling. Okay, so number 17, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Find the 35th percentile for the protein requirements for adults. Round your answer to 3 decimal places. Okay, 35th percentile. I know I did something like this.
I was going to say, I'm not sure how to do this one.
Okay, 30. Okay, so the percentile.
Calculating percentile using a normal distribution. So type the desired area or percentile in the box at the top of the graph.
Yes, okay. So we're looking at the
applet, we do 30.35?
0.35, yeah.
Then
And then, so find the percentile of protein requirements, the 35th. So we do the left section and the middle, right? Or just to the left. Let's look. Hang on.
The bottom right box.
Turn it off. Get back to me now.
Okay.
It's okay because I was fixing something on my phone for my daughter. Okay. Oh, that's right. This is where we have to do the solving.
Okay, so
Sorry, I'm a little behind right now.
yeah, no, I was just rereading. They're talking about the 90th percentile, so I was
Right.
just so put the z-score in.
No, it's okay. So we have to do that like the solve that algebraic equation. So we found the z-score,
This one.
which is
Mom, I'll do this one.
0.454, right?
Mom.
Oh wait, 30. Just kidding. It's 35%. So the z-scores minus 0.385. Stop, please.
I'll do this one. Mom, I'll do this one.
So what are we doing?
Okay, so we are finding. Sorry, hang on 1 second.
I'll do this one.
If it's not working, then you have to find a different game. Okay, so if it's not working, it's not working. I don't.
And let's give it a game. Remember?
Yeah. If it's not working for some reason, then you just have to play a game instead of watch. I don't know why it's not working. I'm really sorry. If you can't handle it, you have to go in your room because I'm in a meeting. Okay? Here. Okay. You can do it. Okay. Okay, sorry, I'm back. Okay, so find the 35th percentile for the protein.
So
Requirements for
yeah,
adults.
so I was just looking at this. So it says to click on the middle and the far left, and then put in your percentiles at the top, and then press enter, and that gives our z-score, which is negative 0.38.
Yes. That's what I have.
And then
Or 0.385, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the z-score.
So then we do that.
Then we're finding x in the z-score equation.
So that would be
Right.
our. So
X.
the negative 0.385 equals x minus our mean. What is our mean?
Which is, I'm like, let's go back up. Is it the 0.6?
I
Yes.
gotta get to the right web page. I'm on here.
Oh, wait, the population is 0.65.
Okay, so x minus 0.65.
Yeah, and then divided by 0.07.
The deviation.
So multiply each side by 0.07.
Mm-hmm.
What's that? Then we have
Sorry, I'm just trying to write it out better for
I'm
myself
doing the
on
same
here.
thing. Nope.
So I might be slightly behind. So.
Okay.
Okay, so negative 0.385
I'm not
times
in the way.
7.
Oops. Okay. I think I got. Are you done with yours yet?
Just about. Just give me one more second.
That was an ad. Here we are.
.623.
I got 0.0414. Or, yeah, 0.041.
Okay. Well, let me.
We can just go through it talking and maybe that'll get.
Yeah, that's what I was
Okay,
just thinking.
so we have.
I can read you my little equation if you want.
Okay, sure.
So I kind of skipped to putting it in an easier way for me to read. So in our reading, it talks about simplifying that right-hand side. So I'm skipping to where we're multiplying both sides by 0.07.
Yep.
So I have negative 0.385 times 0.07 on the left, and on the right, I have x minus 0.65.
Yep.
So negative 0.385 times 0.07 was negative 0.02695. So now I have. So my equation now is negative 0.02695 on the left, and on the right I have x minus 0.65. So now we need to add 0.65 to both sides.
Divide. Oh no, it is add. It is add.
So that's
where I got wrong. Yep.
So you do the negative 0 number plus 0.65, and that should give you your x.
So that, I knew there was something outside this. Okay. It's dividing if it's multiple or whatever. Yeah, okay, I get it now. I remember now. I've done algebra for a while. Okay, so you add the 0.65. Okay, and that's the 0.623. All right, I get it. 0.623. Okay, awesome. The ironic thing is I have the same problem, but with different numbers done right above it and I got it right. I added and I just got going and forgot about the adding.
Sometimes you just have to go back through it. So
it's true. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Perfect. And then the last one, find the 80th percentile for the protein requirement for adults. Round your answer to 3 decimals.
So in the thingy, click on the 2 sides, and then we're doing 80, so 0.8.
Yeah.
So z-score naked or 0.842.
Yeah.
So 0.482. Equals x minus 0.65 over 0.07. So then we do 0.842. Is that the z-score you got? 0.842?
Yeah.
0.842 times.
Whoa, you see
0.7.
that when you pop?
0.65.
Mommy, why are you not saying
Okay, so 0.709. Oh, you got?
I'm not done yet. I'm almost there.
Oh, okay.
You wanted to know.
Okay, what did you get?
0.709 after rounding.
Yes.
The good thing is I messed up the last time. I probably won't ever forget to add at that. And, again,
Yeah.
that's the good thing about that. Okay, so 0.709. Okay. Ready to submit?
Ready.
Okay. Alrighty.
Go us. Got
Oh.
100.
Sweet. Okay. I was still submitting my quiz, but Now I see it. Yay. Okay. I was feeling okay about this, but I feel even better now after this.
I feel way better after this.
So,
yeah.
So
it really helps with math to like talk it out and talk yourselves through the problem.
Yes, I feel like if this class didn't have these meetings, like I would not be feeling okay. But like when I tell people I'm taking biostatistics, they're like, oh, and I'm like, actually, it's not that bad. But I think like if it wasn't for these meetings, I'd probably be like, I'm dying. It's only week 3. Oh, I'll stop this broadcast.